Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Roger Radcliffe from 101 Dalmatians. Let's get into it. Start off with a red pencil. Draw the shape of his head. Now his nose. His hair. His ears. Next, I'm going to add his mouth. His tongue, his eyes on the eye line, and his eyebrows, his neck and his collar, add his shoulders. That's the end of the drawing done. Let's go in with a black pencil. Start with the eyes, his pupil, just like so. Get them eyebrows in, his cheek, there's his chin. Follow the hair around. He's got this big smile. There's his neck, his collar, his shoulders. Just going to add a bit of shading here and there, but that's going to be basically it for Roger Radcliffe from 101 Dalmatians. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Leave a comment, I will reply. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers guys, keep doodling.